comes to raising chickens, providing a comfortable and safe housing environment is of paramount importance for their overall health, well-being, and productivity. This is a truth acknowledged by both seasoned poultry farmers and backyard chicken aficionados alike. Thus, we bring you an extensive guide filled with a slew of tips and tricks designed to aid you in creating the ideal coop for your feathered friends. Firstly, let's discuss the importance of space. It's crucial to ensure an adequate amount of space per chicken to prevent overcrowding. Overcrowding can lead to stress, disease spread, and even aggression amongst your flock. A general guideline that most poultry experts agree upon is about 2-3 square feet per bird inside the coop and 8-10 square feet per bird in the outdoor run area. But keep in mind, the more space you can provide, the better. Next, let's tackle the topic of ventilation. Good airflow is absolutely essential to prevent moisture buildup and ammonia odors, which can be detrimental to your chicken's respiratory health. The best way to achieve this is to install vents near roof or utilize windows with adjustable openings. This allows you to regulate ventilation based on weather conditions and temperature variances. Moving on to insulation and draft protection, this aspect deserves special attention, especially if you are raising your brood in regions with temperature extremes. Insulating the coop helps maintain a comfortable temperature year-round, which is vital for the chicken's health and egg-laying abilities. Use materials like foam board or straw bales, which are cost-effective and provide good insulation. It's also essential to seal any gaps or cracks to prevent drafts, especially during colder months. Next, we have nesting boxes. These are crucial for ensuring that your egg-laying hens have a comfortable, clean, and private place to lay their eggs. Use soft bedding materials such as straw or wood shavings, and ensure the boxes are dark and private to encourage nesting behavior. Personally, I suggest one nesting box for every 4-5 hens. Roosting perches are another important feature of the coop. Chickens, being descendants of wild birds, instinctively seek elevated places to sleep. Install sturdy roosting perches at varying heights to accommodate different chicken sizes. Use rounded edges to prevent foot injuries. And space perches at least 12 inches apart to avoid overcrowding. Considering that cleanliness is directly proportional to the health of your brood, designing the coop for easy cleaning and maintenance is vital. Use removable trays or deep litter systems for droppings. Choose materials that are durable and washable for easy upkeep. Security measures are an aspect that cannot be ignored. Predators are a constant threat to backyard chickens. Protect your chickens by installing secure latches on doors and windows. Use hardware cloth instead of chicken wire for better predator resistance. Natural light plays a huge role in the chicken's well-being. Chickens thrive with exposure to natural daylight, which helps regulate their sleep cycles and influences egg production. Position windows or skylights strategically to maximize natural light in the coop. Lastly, provide a designated dust bathing area with sand or fine soil mixed with diatomaceous earth. This helps chickens maintain clean feathers and control parasites naturally. Also, place feeders and waterers at a comfortable height for chickens to access easily. Keeping them clean and free of debris promotes good hygiene. By meticulously implementing these comprehensive tips and tricks, you can create a chicken coop that promotes health, comfort, and productivity for your flock. Remember, happy chickens make for happy farmers and yield excellent outcomes. Join us tomorrow as we delve into the key essentials needed for building a chicken coop, complete with the prices of each item. Thank you for tuning in today, and if you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Your support means the world to us. Until next time, happy farming and goodbye for now.